Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today I'm going to show you how to update your iPhone to iOS 17. You can learn 3 ways to update your iPhone in this video. It is recommended to back up the iPhone data before performing the iOS upgrade. Way 1. Update iPhone manually. Tap Settings. Tap General and tap Software Update. See, iOS 17 is available on this iPhone. Tap Download and install. Enter the screen passcode. Tap Agree. Well, you just need to wait for the update process to end. Okay, the iPhone restarts. Well, it shows your iPhone has been updated to iOS 17.0. You can also unlock the iPhone to check it in settings. Way 2. Update iPhone, iPad with iTunes. Go to connect your iPhone to the computer with a cable. Then put your iPhone into recovery mode. Open iTunes. Well, click the Update button. Click Update again. Wait for a while until iTunes tells you your iPhone has been updated. Then your iPhone restarts. Now your iPhone is in the iOS 17 new version. Way 3. Upgrade iPhone with iSunshare iOS Repair Genius. Head to iSunshare official website and then go to the iOS Repair Genius product page. Click Download and then install the software on your computer. Alright, open the software. Select the iOS Upgrade Downgrade option. Click Upgrade iOS. Now, connect your iPhone to the computer. Tap Trust on the iPhone. Oh, you need to enter the passcode. Click Next. Your iPhone is recognized. Select the iOS 17.0 official version and then click the download button. OK, click Start and then the software will update your iPhone to iOS 17 automatically. Well done! Software update to iOS 17 successfully. You can also check the iOS version from Settings. That's all for the video. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome content and comment down below if you have any questions.